Okay, excuse the clicker. I'm in a Kenworth, and this is not my regular truck, but sometimes putting electronics in trucks, I mean, yeah, it's good. It's for safety and everything, but sometimes it just gets ridiculous. Like, my pedal is not manually controlled to my throttle at all. It's electronic. Let me demonstrate. Let me start it up and watch. I'm pressing it down, and it's just now doing the RPM, like it's just now going up. That was like a 5 second or so like delay on that response. So I'm like, seriously? I don't know. I'm old school. I just miss how trucks used to be.